Hi, I'm Leslie Wallace. One of the biggest misconceptions about credit is that people think a credit score measures their worth. It doesn't. A score measures a small piece of your financial history. That's all. But many people spend years feeling embarrassed, overwhelmed, or intimidated by a number they were never taught to understand. The truth is that most of us were handed a credit score and never given the manual. That's why I created Foundations to help people understand how credit works, how reports work, what their rights are, and how to read the system instead of fearing it. In this presentation, I'll show you the foundation of credit identity and why understanding the system changes everything. Be blessed.